Welcome back to the Car Wash, the channel where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the luxurious and groundbreaking 2025 Genesis G90. This flagship sedan from Genesis doesn't just aim to compete with the top names in the luxury car market, it's here to redefine it. Whether you're a fan of high-end design, cutting-edge technology, or unparalleled performance, the G90 has it all. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we explore every inch of this masterpiece. The first thing that strikes you about the 2025 Genesis G90 is its sheer presence. From the moment it comes into view, it exudes confidence, elegance, and sophistication. The design language is bold yet refined, with every curve and line carefully crafted to convey a sense of power and grace. This is not just a car, it's a statement of excellence. Up front, you're greeted by Genesis's signature crest grille, now more dynamic and intricate than ever. Flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights with dual-line DRL designs, the G90 creates a visual identity that's impossible to ignore. The long hood, sleek roofline, and sculpted body panels contribute to an aerodynamic silhouette that's as functional as it is beautiful. Every detail, from the chrome accents to the flush door handles, is meticulously designed to elevate the luxury experience. Step inside and the 90 welcomes you with an environment that feels more like a private jet than a car. Genesis has spared no expense in crafting an interior that combines top-tier materials with state-of-the-art technology. From the supple Napa leather seats to the open-pore wood trim and aluminum accents, every surface you touch exudes luxury. The cabin is not just a place to sit. It's a sanctuary designed to make every journey as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. At the heart of the interior lies a massive 14.5-inch infotainment display, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. It's powered by the latest Genesis UI, offering intuitive controls, crisp graphics, and lightning-fast responses. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 23-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system ensure that you're always connected and entertained. But the luxury doesn't stop at the front seats. In the rear, passengers are treated to reclining seats, individual climate controls, and dual touchscreens, creating a first-class experience for everyone on board. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Genesis G90 doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged VS6 engine paired with an advanced electric supercharger. This powerhouse delivers an impressive 420 horsepower, ensuring brisk acceleration and effortless highway cruising. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, while the all-wheel drive system provides confidence in all weather conditions. But performance isn't just about power, it's about how the car feels on the road. The G90's adaptive suspension system reads the road ahead, adjusting in real time to deliver a ride that's both smooth and engaging. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or carving through mountain roads, the G90 responds with precision and poise, making every drive a pleasure. Find out how the G90 carves out a spot for the perfect mountain roads at g90.com/onpurpose. Now, let's talk about value. The 2025 Genesis Nino starts at $89,000, positioning it as a competitive option in the luxury sedan market. For the price, you're getting a vehicle that rivals offerings from BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi, but with a level of standard features and attention to detail that's hard to match. And if you're looking to make your Genie truly your own, Genesis offers a range of customization options, from exclusive paint colors to bespoke interior materials. So there you have it, the 2025 Genesis G90, a car that redefines luxury, blends performance with elegance, and offers a driving experience like no other. It's a testament to Genesis's commitment to excellence and a clear signal that the brand is here to dominate the luxury market. Thank you for joining us today on Cars. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 90s, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.